Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is Inka Burr. I made Inka Burr for Edwin Ladronde from Cusco because he really likes the Inca symbol and he is exploring what he can do with it in his local tourist industry. So I thought I'd make a burr for him. I made also a version in 3D printed wood. Unfortunately, that one is slightly less stable and the pieces tend to break, so I'm not going to take this one apart, but the one made from PLA is fortunately sufficiently rugged. So let me demonstrate how to take it apart. It starts with moving this piece up, these pieces up, and see, okay, there we are. And I used some rubber bands to keep things a bit together. Anyway, I can break those rubber bands and I can take pieces out at the other side as well. And once the thing starts disassembling, it goes much faster. So here pieces can go up. This one goes up. This one goes under, rotates, and gets out. Now let's get this one out of the way. Yeah, and one more piece. So the puzzle gradually disintegrates. At this point it's still stable, but at some point it will become less stable. So more pieces to be removed. And I hope you're keeping count. There we are, and let's see, yeah, these ones can go out. Okay, and now the big disassembly starts because now we can move these pieces outward and this falls apart and remove the final rubber band. And there we have the Burr puzzle with lots of pieces. And I already asked you to keep count because that will be my question to you. Count these pieces. How many pieces does this Inka Burr have? Thank you for watching.